Before tools like the Cyber Health Index, managing security for a small business meant one thing: endless spreadsheets. You'd have one sheet for assets, another for controls, another for tasks, another for passwords. Keeping them updated was a manual nightmare, prone to human error, and they'd be outdated the moment you finished typing. CHI changes all of that. It replaces spreadsheets and guesswork with something far better. First, it moves you from static to dynamic. Instead of a static document that's outdated by Tuesday, CHI gives you a live, connected dashboard. Where possible, it automatically pulls in data from your systems to update your asset inventory, your control status, and your risk scores in real time. It's always current. It's always accurate. Second, it moves you from guessing to knowing. Instead of lying awake at night wondering, is our biggest risk phishing or ransomware? Are we safer than last month? CHI uses your business's unique configuration to calculate and visualize your actual exposure. It turns subjective worry into objective data. You stop guessing and start knowing. And third, it enables roadmap planning using real insights. The platform doesn't just show you problems and leave you there. It helps you build the solution. Using your scores and your identified gaps, CHI can help you generate a tailored improvement roadmap. This roadmap sequences actions logically. For example, it knows you need to discover assets before you can properly protect them. And it helps you track your progress against those 90-day sprints you've planned. It's your project manager and your progress tracker, all in one. This brings us to your single most important takeaway from this entire module: your personalized 90-day cyber improvement plan. Let's build it together using a template. First, define your overall goal. For example, increase our CHI score from 42 to 60 by addressing critical gaps in protection and risk discovery. That's your North Star. Then define your sprint focus for the next 90 days. Pick 3 to 5 actions from your prioritized lists. For example, Action 1, enable and enforce MFA for all admin accounts. Owner, you, do, end of month funds. 1. Action 2, perform and verify a full backup restore test. Owner, IT lead, do, end of month 1. Action 3, use CHI's asset discovery to document all cloud services in use. Owner, team leads, do, end of month 2. Action 4, draft and distribute a simple phishing awareness and reporting guide to all staff. Owner, you, do, end of month 2. Action 5, document a one-page incident response cheat sheet with contact names and first steps. Owner, you, do, end of month 3. Finally, define your success metrics. What will you measure? For example, CHI subscore targets, protection above 70, risk above 50. This gives you a clear finish line. That's it. That's your plan. Clear, concise, and personalized to you. You now hold the key to transforming your cybersecurity from a source of stress into a structured, manageable business process. Your CHI scorecard is your guide, your measuring stick, and your planning tool, all in one. You have learned to read your security vital signs. You've learned to diagnose the root causes of your risk. You've learned to prioritize actions in a way that builds momentum instead of burnout. And most importantly, you are leaving this module with the start of a real plan. In Module 10, From Awareness to Action, our final module, we will look at how to sustain this momentum. We'll discuss how to make security an ongoing part of your business rhythm, not a one-time project. And we'll explore how CHI scales with you as your business grows. But first, take action. Don't let this knowledge sit idle. Log into CHI, review your scorecard, apply the prioritization filter. Start drafting your first 90-day plan. The journey to a more resilient business is not a giant leap. It's a series of small, smart, consistent steps, and you are now ready to take the first few. See you for our final module.